do not buy this scooter. Just don't buy this. Super fast? No. Just super dangerous and super stupid. Like, just a bad design. This is not safe, okay? Single-sided hub motor electric scooters, do not buy it. They are not safe. They are not balanced. If I tried to fix the brakes a little bit, the brakes were a little weird. The handlebar, definitely a little weird. The grip's not sufficient at all. You know, was looking at the neck and saying, oh, this is what I want to do to the neck, this, that, and the other thing. I had a lot of plans for this thing. But to be honest, multiple people have been injured, including me. I snapped my collarbone, my buddy hurt his shoulder, and basically both of us, the left side, because this thing pulls to the right. All the wires, all the everything, as you can see, are on the other side of this hub. So it is always pulling right. The actual handlebar here, you can't modify it. Everything, the brake sensor, the brake cutoff, the dual motor, the throttle, everything here, it's all with these little plugs, and you can't extend this neck, so you're stuck at this distance. The fact that this thing has like the ability to swing and have the suspension the way it is great. The suspension is amazing, but it is not stable. You cannot keep actual control of it. Originally, I was going to come out here and show you some performance, show you a little about speed and jumping up and down and how it works, but the neck actually just broke like right now. So the deal with these scooters, or with anything from China these days, is low quality metal. All right, we're gonna take this sucker apart now and see what it's actually made out of. Now I suspect it's dual motor, dual battery, dual controller, but if it's as shitty as I think it is, it's dual battery, single controller, but we'll find out. You want to not get water in your scooter. So the problem is they're impossible to take apart. This is what you need. So as we can see here, we have dual battery, dual controller, dual motor, and it looks to be a parallel connection here. So we got the battery in and with two running out, right? That is not good. Not good at all, okay? So when you're charging two batteries, you need to charge them separately. You never charge batteries that have individual BMSs together, okay? So each one of these packs has a BMS, battery management system. And that system keeps it balanced. It is not possible to charge two at the same time using the same connection. That is bad. That will cause a fire. It's got like a roller bearing. Do not buy a single-sided hub motor electric scooter. If you want a single-sided hub motor anything, get a e-skate. That's what an e-skate is. But don't try and build a scooter with a single-sided hub motor. It's stupid, it's dumb, it's unsafe, and it's just imbalanced. Scooters already have enough problems, don't make them worse. The reason scooter design hasn't changed in 100 years is because it actually works. The basic design really works. Here we discovered today this is a dual motor, 48 volt, dual battery, dual controller with a suspension that is outrageously ridiculous, and it looks like the box is just filled with adhesive glue. Like there's no legitimate suspension in there. It's maybe a spring and then just filled with adhesive. That's what you're running on here, people. Be safe.